When the spine's not straight from the front, we've got to work on different areas to make it straight. And then if we look at the side of the spine, when the curve's been lost, when there's damage to the joints, we've got to work with these images, but the body's a three-dimensional object, which means that we've got to work with it a little bit differently. Good. So you warm the muscles up, not by massage, but by an instrument that has 10 beats per second. Then we're going to start to uncompensate the spine. We're going to go into the curve, out. Good. Our focus is up at the mid-back. Go ahead and take your head, turn it to the right. Good. Good. Now face down. Now turn it to the left. Good. Face down. We're going to open up. Good. I want to rotate. Good. Good. Perfect. Then last one, what you're going to do is turn your head to the right and then to the left. Good.